One of the most important parts of any website, often overlooked, is the navigation menu. It's how people find what they're looking for. A well-structured menu isn't just good UX. It can increase engagement, lower bounce rates, and help your visitors take action. So today, let's walk through how to set up a custom navigation menu in WordPress the right way. To create a custom navigation menu in WordPress, go to Appearance and then Menus. Start by giving your menu a name, something like Main Menu or Footer Menu, then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of pages, posts, categories, and custom links. Select the items you want, click Add to Menu, and they'll appear in the Structure area on the right. You can drag and drop items to reorder them or nest items to create drop-downs. Want to add an external link? Use the Custom Links tab and paste in any URL. Once your structure looks good, assign the menu to a display location like Primary Menu or Footer Menu. These options depend on your theme. Click Save Menu and check your live site. Your changes are instant. With just a few clicks, you can guide your visitors exactly where they need to go.
Need more help? New Target's tailor-made support plans have you covered. Learn more at newtarget.com.